And I must say that Regina Belle, she impressed me. 59 years old, 60 coming July 17th and give us that performance like she's 30. Oh my God, trust me. From 1982 until now, trust me, I'm moved. Reggae vibes. If you want the right vibes, link Reggae Vibes.
Reggae Vibes leader!
Multi-Grammy Award winning singer with a unique, powerful, and angelic vocals, Regina Belle.
Welcome to the stage, Miss Regina Belle. How y'all doing out here tonight? Here we go. Anybody know what this is? Every day we used to slip away to talk. Say. And it seems a bit that never exists at all. And it leaves me feeling guilty. Come on, say. With this horrible cause. Say. The way it used to be. When I hunger for your love. Constantly. Say. It was easier for me and you. I know the will to make it like it was. Now if I compare, there's really no comparing. I just want is the way you used to be. Just the thought of living without your love.
I am here with
Jeremy Paul,
Jeremy. Who did you come here to see tonight?
Regina Belle, Marcia Griffiths. Well, I have to say, Regina Belle is one of my favorite international singer. I believe she's one of the best singer-songwriter. And of course, Marcia is our local legend. Love her, gone to bed. Straight up.
What's your favorite, Marcia?
My favorite Marcia Griffiths, oh my God, there's so much of them. But the one with she and Berries Amon, trust me, love it.
Can sing any of it?
You know, I embarrass myself, I can't sing. Well, for Regina Belle, I can't sing, but you know, if I could, love that one because she's, you know, singing it to her kids. I must say I want to big up my kids and I want to big up my immediate family. And of course, I want to big up all those who said Jeremy Paul through good times and bad times.
Now, I was supposed to sing this song with one of your own, but he got sick. So, I can do a little part of it, but do you think y'all can sing with me? You can? Let's try it, let's see what happens. Shining, shimmering. I can open your eyes. a whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But now the way I feel is crystal clear that now I'm getting a whole world with you. Y'all sound good tonight. Come on, say unbelievable sights, indescribable feeling, soaring, tumbling, freewheeling through an endless night sky. A whole new world, 100,000 things to see. I'm like a shooting star. I've come so far. I can't go back to where I used to be. I'll take them anywhere. There's time to spare. Anywhere. Let me share this whole new world with you. Yeah, I'll hit you. Let me get a chair. Right there. Bring it down. Bring it down. Now, y'all know what this is, huh? Well, this happens to be the birthday boy's favorite song. So we going back a little bit. A little bit of a throwback, if that's all right with y'all. Is that all right? Peter, you here? Yeah. Come on, baby. Are you comfortable? All right. That's right. Go and cross your legs. I want you to sit. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's right. Because we need. All right. Thank you. It's the birthday boy, so we need a good chair. All right. So, they told me that this is your favorite song. Is that right? Okay, so we're going to go back a little bit. If you feel like getting up and you want to dance with me, it's okay. As long as your wife is all right with that, okay? Because I'm not getting in no trouble. I got to get back home, okay? All right. Looking back over my years, I guess I'm shedding some tears. I told myself time and time again, this time I'm gonna win. But another fight, things ain't right, I guess I'm losing again. Takes a fool to lose twice and start all over again. And I better let go. Come on, y'all say it with me. Looks like nothing else today. Yeah, don't sound so beautiful. Come on, say it again. I think I better let it go, baby. Looks like nothing else today. Trying to take control of the love, but love took control of me. 'Cause I lose all fun since